This video will go over how to install the tailored hitch for your Airstream camper. To start, align the driver's side bracket onto the driver's side of the hitch cross tube. Slide the appropriate hardware through the bracket and the cross tube, leaving it hand tight for the time being, as you may need slight adjustments later. Repeat the process on the other side of the hitch. After identifying which trailer frame you have, open the rear bumper storage. Roll up the ends of the mat inside the bumper storage. After getting the measurements appropriate for your frame, mark the locations where you will be drilling. Next, drill the marked holes with a 9/16 drill bit. It may help to verify the hole placement by using the frame plate and making sure the holes are centered. Depending on your frame and bumper, there will be different methods to place the 1/2-inch bolts in the previously drilled holes. Once the bolts are through, double-check which hardware setup you will need. On this frame, 2 washers are needed between the frame and the frame plate. Repeat this process on both sides, leaving the frame bolts hand tight. Depending on your frame size, which holes you use to secure your hitch will change. Once you know which holes to use, thread the 1/2-inch bolts through the hitch and the frame plate on both sides of the hitch. Tighten the frame bolts to the proper foot-pounds, and then tighten the hitch bolts as well. Next, thread a bolt through the face of the hitch, going through the hitch and the brackets. Finally, make sure all your bolts are torqued to the proper specs, and your install is finished.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.